frozen shoulder. Unlock your range again. If reaching behind your back or lifting your arm is painful and stiff, you may be dealing with frozen shoulder. But don't worry, we can help restore your mobility. Question and answers. What is frozen shoulder? Also called as adhesive capsulitis. It's a condition where the shoulder capsule becomes inflamed and stiff, limiting motion over time. What are the phases of frozen shoulder? Freezing phase, pain increases, motion decreases. Frozen phase, pain may reduce, stiffness continues. Thawing phase, gradual improvement. Pendulum arm circles. Lean forward and gently swing arm in small circles. Towel stretch behind back. Hold the towel behind your back and stretch upward. Wall walk. Crawl fingers up the wall to improve reach. Is dry needling safe for frozen shoulder? Yes, it can help reduce muscular guarding and improve flexibility. Let's defrost that frozen shoulder. Call 587-873-8808.